Welcome to my channel Good Mind Gyan. Like, share and comment to my channel. Also subscribe my channel. Today's topic is crop production and management part 3. We are going to study about the differences between fertilizer and manure. Fertilizer is a man-made inorganic salt, whereas manure is a natural substance which is obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung and plant residues. Fertilizer is prepared in the factories, whereas manure can be prepared in the fields. Fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. Manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. So this is the main difference between a fertilizer and a manure. Now, what are the advantages of manure? The organic manure is considered better than the fertilizers because it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil, makes the soil porous due to which exchange of gases becomes easy. It increases the number of friendly microbes. It improves the texture of the soil. So manure is really a very good natural thing which we can use in agriculture. I hope you liked my video. Next part is irrigation and the sources of irrigation. What do you mean by irrigation? Irrigation is the supply of water to the farms. All living beings need water to live, and it is important for the proper growth and development. Water is essential because germination of seeds does not take place under dry conditions. Nutrients dissolved in the water are transported to each part of the plant. To maintain the moisture of the soil for healthy crop growth, fields have to be watered regularly. The supply of water to crops at regular intervals is called irrigation. The time and frequency of irrigation varies from crop to crop, soil to soil, and season to season. There are different methods of irrigation, traditional and modern. In traditional, we have moat or pulley, chain pump system, Thekli system, and Rahat system. And in the modern, we have the sprinkler system and the drip system. The traditional ones are a little which has more of labor and more time consuming, whereas the modern ones are very effective techniques needing less people to work for. The traditional methods. Here you can see the picture of moat, Rahat, chain pump and Thekli. The water available in the wells, lakes and canals is lifted up by different methods in different regions for taking it to the fields. Cattle or human labor is used in these methods, so these methods are cheaper but less efficient. Pumps are commonly used for lifting water. Diesel, biogas, electricity and solar energy is used to run these pumps. Now, the modern methods are sprinkler system and drip system. In the sprinkler system, we have perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzles on the top at regular intervals. It gets sprinkled on the crop in a proper way, so we can use it for lawns, coffee plantations and several other crops. Now, next is the drip irrigation or drip system. In this system, the water falls drop by drop directly near the roots. So it is called as a drip system, and it is the best technique for watering food plants, gardens and trees, and water is not wasted at all, and it is a boon in regions where the availability of water is poor. Protection from weeds. Weeds are something which are the undesirable plants which are growing along with the crops. These undesirable plants need to be removed, and the removal of weeds is called as weeding. Weeding is necessary since weeds compete with the crops for water, nutrients, space and light. Thus they affect the growth of the crops. Tilling before sowing of crops helps in uprooting and killing the weeds. The manual removal includes physical removal of weeds by uprooting or cutting them close to the ground from time to time, and that is done with the help of a khurpi. A seed drill is also used to uproot weeds. Weeds are also controlled by using certain chemicals called as weedicides like 2,4-D. The weedicides are diluted with water to the extent required and sprayed in the fields with a sprayer. Harvesting of a crop is an important task. It is the cutting of the crop after it is mature is called harvesting.